How to fix this phone number cannot be used at this time on Apple ID. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First, launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on general and then on software update. Make sure you are using the latest version of iOS, and if not, then go ahead and update the latest version if the update is available. Now go back to main settings screen and scroll down and tap on general again and then tap on the date and time option. Now go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for set automatically and wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. This helps refresh time zone syncing, which is important for verification systems. Next, go a step back and tap on language and region, and then tap on region and make sure the correct country is selected. Sometimes, if your region does not match your phone number, verification will fail. Now, go a step back and tap on the VPN and device management option. If you are connected to a VPN, disconnect it temporarily. It could be interfering with verification. In general, again, scroll down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone option, and then tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Do not worry, as this will not delete your data, but it will refresh your Wi-Fi and cellular settings. Now, go back again and tap on Privacy and Security and then choose Location Services. Further, turn Location Services off and wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. This helps ensure that your region and device information are being properly detected after restarting your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone verifies your phone number again, and it should work now. But if you're still having the trouble, the best option for you is to contact Apple support. They can help you verify your phone number manually, often within 24 hours. So this is how you can fix phone number cannot be used at this time on Apple ID. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.